Starting around 20 August 2023, Theta organization generally is exchanging at 62 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.39%. In truly most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner, Theta in a real sense has a very all-out market cap of $617,974,839, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,952,676 in a for the most part large manner. This in every practical sense makes Theta organization, Theta, sort of positioning at 57 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2023, what will Theta organization really be worth in 2023? Which basically is very huge. Is Theta organization an especially wise venture, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking? Will Theta cost outperform its unsurpassed exceptionally high in a by and large significant manner? These fundamentally are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future in an especially huge manner. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023. As per the Theta organization estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Theta cost explicitly is supposed to in every practical sense cross a kind of normal value level of 91 cents, the normal certainly least value worth of Theta organization, toward the finish of the extremely current year, ought to especially be 87 cents, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Besides, Theta can truly arrive at a greatest value level of 99 cents. Theta value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Theta organization is estimated to really be at around a truly least worth of 73 cents, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. The Theta organization value worth can fundamentally arrive at an especially limit of 82 cents, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of 80 cents in United States dollars, which basically is very critical. Theta organization value expectation September 2023, Theta organization cost for the most part is supposed to explicitly reach between 79 cents to 86 cents in September 2023. While the kind of typical cost of Theta for the September sort of stays around 82 cents. Theta organization, Theta, value conjecture October 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for October 2023 may generally arrive at an especially least worth of 81 cents, while the by and large greatest determined cost basically is around 90 cents, which basically shows that will Theta cost for the most part outperform its untouched high in an unobtrusive manner. The kind of typical cost for Theta generally is explicitly anticipated to in every practical sense reach 84 cents in October 2023 in an unobtrusive way. Theta value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Theta organization for the most part is estimated to in a real sense be at around a really least worth of 84 cents, exhibiting that assuming that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2023. What will Theta organization generally be fundamentally worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The Theta organization value worth can in a real sense arrive at an especially limit of 95 cents. With the truly normal exchanging worth of 87 cents in United States dollars, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta organization, Theta, value figure December 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for December 2023 may especially arrive at a very least worth of 87 cents, while the in every practical sense, most extreme estimated cost in a real sense is around 99 cents. Which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The very normal cost for Theta explicitly is truly anticipated to by and large reach 91 cents in December 2023. Theta organization truly passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been by and large diminished by 1.78% in its genuinely current worth, which in a real sense shows that the especially normal cost for Theta generally is in every practical sense anticipated to explicitly reach 84 cents in October 2023, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. In the event that we truly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap really is likewise down. Especially further appearance how especially is Theta organization a very wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023. which especially is genuinely huge. Theta organization essentially is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins, which truly shows that Theta organization, Theta, value estimate December 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for December 2023 may in a real sense arrive at a sort of least worth of 87 cents, while the exceptionally most extreme determined cost in a real sense is around 99 cents, which especially is genuinely huge. The Theta fundamentally is down to nearly 16.01% in the by and large most recent 7 days, exhibiting how the essentially normal cost for Theta really is anticipated to especially reach 84 cents in October 2023. Or so they generally thought. The coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for past couple of days. The coin could have areas of strength for really yet. We don't explicitly believe that it would a productive resource in lovely present moment, exhibiting that by and large is Theta organization a very wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023. Or so they generally thought. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta truly diminished by 46.634%, taking out an astounding essentially normal amount of 54 cents from its ongoing worth, which truly shows that Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023, as per the Theta organization gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Theta cost fundamentally is supposed to essentially cross a by and large normal value level of 91 cents. The normal certainly least value worth of Theta organization, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to be 87 cents in a truly significant manner. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent fundamentally purchase a potential open door for especially fast speculation, showing how inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta in a real sense diminished by 46.634%. Dispensing with an incredible in every practical sense normal amount of 54 cents from its especially current worth, which by and large shows that Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023 as per the Theta organization figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Theta cost for the most part is supposed to basically cross an essentially normal value level of 91 cents. The normal extremely least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the very current year ought to especially be 87 cents incredibly. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 41.37%, and the cost for the most part coursed from a by and large least typical cost of 97 cents to kind of greatest essentially normal cost of $1.06 in the beyond 90 days, or so they in a real sense thought. Theta organization especially is somewhere near 18.04%, with the extremely greatest exceptionally normal cost of the coin especially was around 78 cents, and the truly normal cost of in a real sense was around 76 cents in lovely beyond 4 months. Theta organization value gauge 2023 facts. What will in every practical sense be Theta organization certainly worth in